Okay folks, we're here at Fashion Outlet Niagara Falls, USA. Look, there are so many designer clothes over here. Dito tayo mamimili ng husto folks. Dahil mabibili rito. Okay, let's go folks. Dante's Daily Diary. 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 Wow. Sabado de Gloria ngayon. Masarap magtapon ng pera. Okay. Dito tayo, pasok tayo sa loob. Wow, fashion outlet. Kita nyo ha. Oh, ang daming mapupuntahan. 200 designer clothes. Wow. Look. Ang daming tao. Grabe laki nitong tindahan na to folks. Dito tayo magtatapon ng pera. Daming tindahan. Daming tao. Daming tao. Ito, look. Kain na.
Huwag na yan. Yan ang kainin
Look.
mo. Hindi ko alam na kasama pala ang french fries yan.
Look. Marap.
Ito quesadilla.
The best.
Ate.
Hindi masyadong maganda, so we're gonna check at Under Armour. We're gonna see and find out whether there is some good quality stuff over there. Here it's kind of, there's not much selection anymore. Nike, so we're gonna check Under Armour. Walang nagustuhan sa Levi's, walang nagustuhan sa Under Armour, walang nagustuhan sa Nike. Lipat naman tayo sa iba. Tingnan natin. Okay. Ang daming pwedeng pagtapunan ng pera dito. So many things to buy here. Malulula ka rito sa kapipili. Ang dami mong pagpipilian. Wala ring nabili sa Adidas. Hindi rin okay. Wala sa Adidas. Hanap na naman tayo sa iba. Kakain naman tayo ng hapunan kasi gabi na. At least nakabili na tayo. Ubus na ang pera. Adidas naman nabili. Wow, grabe talaga shopping dito sa Amerika. Ang daming mabibili. Okay. Next, punta na tayo sa Mommy House. Mag-mommy na tayo. Marshall, yung Marshall. Ayun, yung Marshall.
Ay, wait.
Oh, Marshall. Oh, akala ko tapos na namimili kami. Akala ko tapos na. I thought we're done. But we still bought something from Marshall. Look! Talagang mauubos ang pera mo dito. Hindi na. Hindi na kayo. Tara na, mauubos ang pera natin dito. Grabing daming pinamili. Grabing daming pinamili dito sa US. There's so many things to buy here in USA. So much things to spend your money. So much. Look at this. Oh my, look. Oh. And there's some more over there. Okay, let's go, folks. That's it. Okay, mga folks, our last stop. The Mommy House. Kakain tayo. Let's go, folks. Okay, mga folks, sabi nila, super sarap daw ang mami dito. They said this is the best tasting Filipino noodles in this area. So let's try. We're gonna go inside and eat. Subukan natin, mga folks. Pasok tayo, tara.
Wala siyang sauce. Yan.
Masarap nga yung mami nila. Good. Kaya pala marami yung kumakain.
Seafood ng beef and seafood.
But I'm used to it.
Okay, folks, we're gonna do our washroom check. The fan is so noisy. There's a smell, mabaho, mapanghi, a bit stinky, so maybe 5 out of 10. Okay, folks, I'm gonna tell you one thing confusing about this place here in Canada. See, yeah, in Canada. When you see this sign here, see the sign says, look, it says no standing, no standing. See, so you don't have to stand, you have to sit down. So ibig sabihin nun, bawal tumayo. So yung mga Pilipino, kailangan uupo. Sabi ng isang Pilipino, nung napadapat doon, tumakbo. Sabi naman ng isa, uy, huwag kang tumakbo. Halika, umupo tayo. That's no standing. Well, joke. And there you have it, folks. Our short stroll during Black Saturday here at Niagara Falls, New York. Hope you liked the video. Hope to see you soon on the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. This Daily Diary. Grabe yung tatako nito mga ibon na to, look. Wow, ang daming ibon.